Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, a pro technique for gluing glass vessels together. You can see how it's worked here. Very sturdy, not going to come apart. But glass to glass doesn't glue easily. The technique. Determine what you want to glue together, maybe elevating a bubble bowl so it has greater visual value. Start by turning them both upside down, then using duct tape, which comes in so many colors now. It's wonderful. So you can go gold, silver, red, green, black, anything. Give it a cut. Place it to your container and repeat that on the opposite side. Gluing tape to tape provides a very secure bond. Then, just put the glue directly on, flip it over, and let it seal. Now you know how to create sturdy, professional, elevated glass designs.